Bless up my people, they don't know the thing, man. They don't know, say, NEWLINK there from NEWLINK production. But there upon my other device, people say, they don't know, say, the quality of the video can stay certain way. You understand, because you don't know the thing, we have so much. Well, people, you are going on now, Zine, because you don't know, so you cover a story, you know, and we can get a follow-up on a story. We definitely go on a follow-up towards it, Zine. So now, they have a thing a circulate right now, what them say, it's a vice note where them say that are the look dirty dread there, who they did it with that local thing there in Kingston the other day. I don't know, so we do a local thing where we have to attack on that. Zine. So now, I'm going to play the local clip, some part of the clip and go through it, Zine. And in the end, you know, where the dreader say it's a ticket thing, like you are doing local taxi and the police them, like it's extra money from him, so them carry man and put on things pan him and nothing like so nothing that go on and in them so you understand at the end, but we're gonna play the thing on this and be the judge while we give a look at talk on it to Zine. So listen people, don't know.
I'm going to say you'll be here. I'm going to have to so it's obviously I can't give you a couple minutes. I can't give you maybe 10 minutes. I said no, I joke thing, right? Go for the car and right. So you should walk back in the lane in my reverse. You see me? Brother, and then the two of them have me in the dog. I wait for money. My sister might be now, come back, might be come like start calling my mother and anything like I start get all afraid of uncle and wake up and be a thing, brother. He's when he give back my phone, I'm telling him I call my boss to come for the car so they can lock me up. Remember, I jump out and cut left them in the dog in my lane. And I turn some places and I know them now go on coming. And then go and run go up a pin from a bomb buckle like here, brother. You hear me? I tell you that them were the 31st of July 2019 night shift RPG police cheer them. Black boy one next one, R Bigs one next one, I want slim young boy. Black boy have an iPhone, the next one come like a Samsung the pussy have. Remember everything.
Sorry for the bad word.
Everything remember, bro. You hear that? Remember everything now. But switch all the time in. When I'm checking me and things, I just that fuck me up, dog. I could get for defend myself, so you see it. Cause I don't know when police check the man. And nah, man, I see it. So I work with that, dog. Feel like everything cool. And I sat down on the man and release the video because I see them definitely not get the money, bro. You see it. Carry the car Saturday morning because the boss can't I tell them want to rent out from Friday night. So I carry the car Saturday morning. I'm going to leave work and yeah, I'm there. And a female I say, I will go on, Ray, whole papi in up this way. And man, they fuck up my life, you know, dog. Fuck up my career, my friend. But them not stop me. Because me definitely go sing them. I'm not ask Christ. Me go sing them. I'm not sing them. I tell us straight. I'm going to kill them. So I have to be one out of two.
Why?
Come out of my life and you see me? One of them drive the fucking car again, go park it up. Papi in police station. Have me handcuff in the van back along here. Carry my car to van. Pull the handcuff at him and say, go on for the car, the money and come. You know, so the man wait till me come back. I go around my van, dig up 3 grand, give the man them, brother. The man said, no want that. 50 blood clog and they want. And this and that. And I'm going to let me put them go publish my video uptown and done my career and this and that. So I said, then let me the phone. I'm going to mail and come back in the man. I go in the van. I said, then you are going to be have the money for that card. I'm going to make she come charge the money. Because me be. So what I said the man leave my girlfriend? When I hear like a dad, brother. You have the money. What the fuck you land? So fucking lie. Wait. The fuck you make a waste time going with for? You know what I mean, dog? So I said, brother, what the hell are this for? You move so far. Same time I talk to the B and the B I get her fried and act like she nonsense. So I say, yo, B, because she don't know no. So when them ready and I dig off zero, they see it. Me book one of them from an idea like what you call black boy, me book him from an evening. So never there with the squad. So now I did them yard and get a call for come carry some people go on party. Let them have 5 party pick them up back. You see it. One last person let up on half a cheese side. Near YMCA this time. So there comes the Hilux man. Stop me. Papers and things and just saying just similar tasks when I say that mean to look at taxi me around. Man I definitely tell me say taxi me around. You see it. I say alright boss, me run taxi but I'm not on duty. I'm not run a taxi now. So I look a job off of me man, you see it, I look at so feel them dead now me have money. You say so I taxi them. I say, yeah, I taxi me around. I go. So you have car Richie. I say, come for your car. I say, I take with the car. I say, I lock me up on the charge me. I say, I never upon that. I lock me up. Car, I'm going to Kingston now. You know, one parking lot. Black boy go up on him phone or Biggs go up on him phone, call two batty boy. I'm look two batty boy I come across. Then I've been handcuffed, see me, you know. Come the batty boy put on condom for mood and in the day and attack some reason about money business, you see it. Same time next one pop out him phone. The slim black one, they run a back, him have the gun behind me, you see me? I say if me run, he gonna shoot me, so I for just comply with him. What did I tell the man them do with the brother? My man put on boots for more than be a thing, brother. Then him start video. But people ask why I'm not act up in that video. What the fuck me for act up on a policeman shooting me? Say me gonna shoot me.
Yeah, Dread. Dread. Big one thing, you know NEWLINK I go say now. Listen your clip here with your voice note. Come up with the police story, son. Very good. Son, very collective. I would know say yeah, some really dirty police out there will do them thing there. Zine, alright. Come down to the point now where you say, uno did it. Zine, and them go for them the two nasty something there. And then come with them two something there. And one of them something there. Put something there, pan something. So why in the video, when me watch the video, why you saying to the officer them, see they nothing no go on? Nothing no in there. Why you said that if I them put your hand on it? You no need to say nothing then like that. And to be honest, people, me I tell you the truth. Me as a straight man, I mean no man out there as a straight man. All if a gun did there and under them something they come and I put them something there. You understand? Yeah, the most you just did they comfortable and say why you say nothing no go on? If a the man come and put something, you no need to say that there. So that part they need to fix up as me say. We are work with you, you know this NEWLINK there, we are listen to you, we are come and we are react to you, I come up in the video. You understand? Because we know so that can be real, but that part there no sound straight. Zine, some of me go back to it, people, because this thing I really need to analyze the real way. See it, because something does not right with where the judge say.
People ask why I'm not act up in that video. What the fuck me for act up on a policeman shooting me? Say me gonna shoot me if I make me run and them shoot me. So why how you would do if you in that situation? So me keep me calm. In see a man jump up. We can't up anymore. I suck on them start go about condom pound. After he made the body boy put condom on my dead brother. Tell the body boy if say something now. What about talk about him give me a blow job and this and that and you come in the car and this and that and that. I told what boy them my friend. What me I do with two body boy? How them reach this in the first place? How me reach this in the first place? Thanks to the police and how the body boy them reach this thanks to the police and say man them definitely demand 50 grand brother. I say alright, them not money for me. Me try see me get my card and anything then. I know me not have the card for me. I say alright, and the card I'm yeah that one. I'm going to have him pay in the morning, so I can't. Dog, me with there. I have to change lay away them, brother. Me get a car and drive up and down behind them anywhere them go dog just to bust them.
Hey, Jed, behave yourself. Because in the end, if you are going to say you're going to lay away the squad of them, the three of them now, Zine, and you have that big and the bad heart there, your tough heart there, right now you are sending the voice note there, Zine. So why you never react if you're a tough man, yo? Me tell you this man. Yo, Jed, for your honest truth, me not trust you. And for your honest truth, me not buy somebody a story. Zine, for your honest truth, come like you're in a something, brother. Zine, we are, as me tell me already, but you just not sound connected, brother. You're not sound straight, you're not sound real, you're not sound real, it don't make sense. And a straight attack same way. Me not go behind that people. A straight attack Jed I get same way. Jed, a straight attack same way. If I not save with NEWLINK. So you have to fix up that and you can't fix up again. You don't gone already. Zine? Some people don't know the thing, man. Just kind of analyze the thing and make you hear it. Oh, NEWLINK deal with it. Because we know other people have it, but we are dealing with, so we deal with our thing different. You understand? And the truth is the truth and some deal with it. So you can leave your comment in the section. If you think say I'm wrong, if you think say I'm right, leave your comment and remember to subscribe to NEWLINK Production. I don't know anything about people. Enough love, enough respect. Peace. I'm out. Big up. Blessings.